Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to duplicate apps on Android so you can run multiple accounts on the same app without any issues. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Play Store on your Android device. This is where you can download apps safely and securely. Step 2, search for and install Parallel Space. This app allows you to clone other apps and use multiple accounts simultaneously. Step 3, open Parallel Space. This will give you access to the app's interface where you can manage cloned apps. Step 4, tap Add App. This option lets you select which apps you want to duplicate and manage within Parallel Space. Step 5, select the app you want to clone. For example, YouTube. This allows you to create a separate version of the app for another account. Step 6, tap Add to Parallel Space. This will create the cloned app, and you can now open and use it independently from the original app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more easy Android tutorials.